How to fix 5G network not working on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. Now, you'll see this option of airplane mode over here. Toggle it on. Now wait for a minimum of 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Now I can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Now, open this option cellular. Head towards this option of cellular data options. Make sure you have toggle off for this option of low data mode. Likewise, open this option voice and data. Make sure you have checked in for the option of 5G or 4G. Also toggle on for this option of VoLTE. Now head back. Once you land to this page, now open this option of network selection. Toggle on for the option of automatic. Now head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down, open this option general. Now scroll all the way down. Now click on this option transfer or reset iPhone. Click on reset network settings. Now enter your passcode over here to continue with the process to reset network settings. Once you complete all these process, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix 5G network not working on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.